have to pack some of the beds away. You can keep this one. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of these jumbo-sized vacuum-sealed storage bags. We got these because we have a collection of, I guess you could call them collectible dog beds. We just have too many, and we don't want to get rid of them because they are, like, this bed was designed after one of our dogs. We don't want to get rid of them, so we want to store them properly. We're going to allow Eleanor to keep this one because, as you can see, it's one of her favorites. So we took this jumbo bag, and we have stuffed 2 of this size dog beds. So you can kind of see it's a fluffy, it's a good-sized dog bed. And we have stuffed 2 of them inside of here. So you can kind of see what's going to happen.
There are 12 of them.
There's 12 of those in there. We've got a lot of dog beds that we've got to squish down. So
they are reusable.
We've kind of prepared this already. They have a kind of like a zipper, not really a zipper, but more like a Ziploc style close on the side here. Don't chew on it. If you put a hole in it, that'll make it not work anymore. And this is where you will connect your vacuum cleaner, and it's supposed to work with just about any vacuum cleaner. I thought this was awesome. We have a Dyson, which I thought we were going to have to put the hose on, but Jamie hooked it up, and check this out.
The Dyson's really not happy with it.
Yeah, it's like, wait a minute, but it's working.
It definitely is.
We do have an upright vacuum as well, plus we have a shop vac that we can use to suck the air out of this, which we might have to go grab one of the others. But then you just put the cap back on here, and there you go. We'll get this a little flatter to show you guys what it looks like. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, a lot more air can go out of it.
Yeah, oh yeah, a lot more air should be able to come out of it. Eleanor's doing a durability check. She's testing to see if she can walk on it. So we sucked quite a bit more air out of it, and it actually made it smaller than the one bed. Plus, stackable. Like, so when we have the other beds, we'll just be able to stack them. Definitely.
And it's protected, so it's nice and clean. You
Yes.
can actually put this in an attic, and we don't have to bag it again.
Right. That's the other big thing is we don't have to wait. Don't chew on it, you weirdo.
Yeah, that would wreck it.
Yeah, so it's going to keep it nice and safe. You can do this with stuffed animals. You can fill it up with stuffed animals. Don't chew on it.
It's not for pudding.
Look at that. Fold it in half. Gosh, we probably could even get a little bit more air out of it. She's like, I'm just demonstrating that they're durable.
Right here.
It's like, nah, I would like this bag of beds.
Don't do it.
But like, even like these big blankets, we have a ton of these big blankets and we rotate them out during the year. So now we can safely put them away and have them be protected. So 2 beds that size, pretty much flattened right out. We got it even smaller.
Yeah, we folded it in half. And it doesn't even want to.
Yeah, we folded it in half and we like squished down on it to push a little bit more air out of it. And now it is actually even smaller.
And now this won't really wrinkle. When this comes back out, all the wrinkles will come back out. If you have something that may wrinkle, you could always wrap it in like a small piece of cardboard.
Right,
and then suck the air out and it'll try to keep everything smooth.
Right. That's so cool.
That's pretty neat.
So put it back next to that dog bed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's the dog bed Curazon. There's 2 of those dog beds in here.
Yeah, there's 2 of them in here.
There's 2 of that size dog bed in here. That's so cool. That's pretty. Don't chew on it. That's pretty neat. This is definitely something we needed for this house. We recommend this.